When I'm having a stressful morning, this and a breakfast cookie is all I need to start my day and to get me out of the house in 2 minutes. A breakfast cookie that was actually healthy. Brazil nuts. I love these little things because it's a crazy awesome antioxidant that even helps you fight cancer. Oh, and they taste super good too. Get into my bowl. I got to a point where I was eating a lot of these like protein bar things, and I thought to myself, there's gotta be something I can make that's like tastier and healthier and will help me save some money. These literally came from my imagination, and they took a couple tries to get just right. Oats and oat flour, and I get my protein from hemp seeds. They're probably one of the awesomest tiny little seeds in existence because they're super high in protein. Just 3 tablespoons have 10 grams of protein. They're high in omega-3 fats to make your skin glow and keep your heart happy. And they taste good too. I built in my sweetness with fruit as opposed to a ton of sugar. And to help bind it together, some flaxseed. My sweet cinnamon to help bump up the sweetness without the sugar, as much as you dare. A little baking powder. And for extra flavor, of course, a little salt. Essentially, these are like the ultimate granola bars. Everything healthy, super nutrient dense, filling, satisfying. A breakfast cookie that's actually good for you. Because there's not a ton of flour in here, you don't need a lot of liquid. And that gives me the opportunity to use my favorite thing to bind cookies. And that is these poor, sad bananas. As soon as they get a little bit past their prime, they're caramely sweet and so soft, perfect for baking. The bananas are so sweet, I'm just gonna put a spoonful of this in, just to bump it up a bit. Last but not least, a little melted coconut oil. These cookies are so easy, they come together so quickly. There's really no excuse to leave the house without breakfast. You can really make this whatever size you want. I like making the meal size, but you make little snack size ones too. Just depends how big your appetite is. You could even actually make these into granola bars by doing a whole sheet of them. Just cut them before they cool. This is the kind of food that I love. It's filling, super malleable recipe. You just use your imagination, add in whatever you like, and then you got breakfast on the go.